Are you paying your Zuku bill using mobile money? Well, let's have a look. If you're using M-Pesa, go to M-Pesa menu on your phone, select Pay Bill option, enter business number 320320, enter the name Zuku, followed by your account number. Key in the amount followed by your M-Pesa PIN and send. If you're using Airtel Money, go to Airtel Money option on your phone, select Make Payments, select Pay Bill option followed by Other. Enter Zuku name as Zuku CATV for fiber users and Zuku Sat for satellite users. Enter amount followed by your PIN number and send. For reference, enter your Zuku account number. For both payment options, you'll receive an SMS and email confirmation from Zuku. Zuku. Life got better.